Alright, so I've broken my kid's toy. I'm not proud about it, but it happened. So basically how this works, you turn on this key, right? And then you press here, it will release, and the ball will spin, yeah? So it has this knob here and it will spin like this. So I've turned hard and this snapped, right? So I thought, since broken, I feel bad about it. Why don't I repair it, right? So let's see what we have. So if I open this, I'm just curious if I can replace this, this part here. So basically this is a cylinder with this piece that I've broken here on top, that this one will go here inside, and with this motion it will turn the ball, and it will work again. So let's try to repair it. So first I gotta get this spring here. How can I get this one off? Right, like this probably. Like this. And now I want to measure it. So, and I'll make a plan, a drawing of some sort of, or if you know the dimensions and everything, you can do it on the fly. And for this project I will 3D print it. So let me show you how to create something very fast. So I use Fusion 360, and you can get this one for personal use. It's free. You have to sign on their website. I like that this program is very fine. So now I have to build this here in Fusion 360. Then I will take the file to UltiMaker, I'll slice it and I'll import the G-code to the 3D printer, and we will make this part, right, in order to repair it. So let's start. I will create a sketch first, and I would need a circle. For the circle, I believe it was around 6.9, if I remember correctly, or 7. Let's put it 6.9. Let's zoom a little bit inside. Now I want to finish the sketch. Okay, and now let's extrude it, right? Wait, here, let's see. So I have this around 37 something, 37, right? Now, like this. No, 36.8. 36.8, right? Okay, now create another sketch. I'll use a circle again, and for this one I will make it diameter 10.7. Okay, so 10.7. all right, finish. Now I will extrude this one as well, and here I believe I have around 3.5 millimeters. Let's see, so measure this correctly, so it's 3.5. all right, 3.5. okay. Now for this hole inside I have to extrude this one as well with 3.5, and now I have this surface here created, right? And now for this part inside I have to measure it, so it is 6.8, 6.6, something like that. I mean, this part is destroyed. I definitely want to make it, I don't know, fine, but a little smaller so it will fit here inside, right? So let me not overdo it. I'll use 6.6, something like that. And for this dimension I'll use 4. I think it's fair because, like I said, it is destroyed, so around 4 will do. Now again, create a sketch here on this surface, and I'll use 2-point rectangle, something like this, I hope. Yeah, so it's 4, and on the other dimension should be like 6.5, something like that. But I don't like how I started, so maybe a little lower. Let's do this again, a little lower, here somewhere. Yeah, these are the dimensions that I like. So it should be 4. I have 4 millimeters here, and here on the side should be 6.5. Yeah, so this is it. Again, finish sketch, and now I want to extrude this to around, I don't know, let's see how deep is this, right? So I'll have it around 6.4. I'll go with 6. I think it's enough, right? I think 6 is enough. Okay, and now let's see what we have. Yeah, this is the cylinder created. All right, now for this part around here, I want to cut here on the corner. I'm not good at this, so hopefully it will work. I'll use this fillet function here. Yeah, or no, let's see if I use here 3. No, definitely not. So again, here, yeah. Now this arrow will show me where it will go, so I'll use around 4 here. Yeah, this is good. So 4 millimeters, and it's, I don't know, around the same like this, or let's use 3.8 or 7, something like that, right? Or 6, 5, 3.5. I think I'm okay with 3.5 on this one. Yeah, so it's starting to look alike. And now I still need to create this hole here. Yeah, so let me see this one from the bottom. Okay, and now for the hole, I'll use a hole here. Okay, let me use 3.2, something like that, and I don't like it. Let's go back, do the hole again, and that's something like this, something like this, right? 3.5. Okay, center it, and I said it should be around, I mean, how long? It should be around 3.7 or something like that. Yeah, 37 millimeters. Should be deep, so 3.5, the hole, and 3.37. long, right? So let's see, what have I done here, if it's good or not. It's not good. Alright, let's go back. I'll go back. Put it again from the bottom. Hole. 3.5, yeah. Here I want to use 35. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's starting to look alike. All right. Or maybe I overdid something. Yeah, a little bit here. Let's check the parameters, right? So I have the hole here with 37, but the first extrude I'm with 36.8, so that's why I need here to set it to 36.8. Yeah, and like this you will have the same dimensions. Yeah, much better now. Okay, so I think this is fine. Actually, one small thing, let's use it from the front. I don't know if you can see this, but here I have a hole. Yeah, it's not all the way, but I have a hole where this metal spring will punch into. So let's try to create a little hole here at the top. So let's do it like this. Hole. Yeah, 2, something like that, or 1.5. No. Let's go back. Something like this. Since I said this one is 7, I think 4 is good. So yeah, let me see this. Or not. Maybe all the way through. Let's edit the parameters again. Where was that? Here. Parameters. The second hole should be 7 millimeters. Yeah, and now it's all the way through. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, I think this will work like this. Yeah, okay. Now let's see the front. I think this should be right, but left. Front, this is the front. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now this part is created here. I just need to save it. Let's use like something ball trigger V1. Hopefully this will work. This is the first time I'm doing it. So yeah, save it. And now I want to export this file to an STL file. Yeah, so with this STL file, the Cura software will create a G-code for me. So all right, I think it's enough just like this. So bolt trigger V1, I will export this. Yeah, so it will take some seconds to complete, hopefully. Yeah. Or a minute or two, I don't know. Yeah, it's completed. And now I will open UltiMaker Cura. Yeah. I have a Ender V3 printer, I believe. So it's all set up here. Ender 3. Yeah. Now I need to open file here. So file, open file, and I have this drawings that I have created here. So bolt trigger V1 STL. I will type here open, and this is my part. Yeah, looks pretty nice. I like it. That's good. Now I have here the PETG and the 0.4 millimeter nozzle. The settings are, I don't know, default. And I will click here on the slice. Yeah, so it will slice it and show me that in around 30 minutes this part will be created. And now here I have the G-code. Yeah, so now I need to copy this G-code to the SD card that I have in the printer, and I will show you how it will print. Yeah. The bolt trigger V1 G-code is copied here on the SD card. I will take the SD card out, yeah, and go to the printer, insert it, and I will print this this part. Yeah. Let's click here on eject. Take the card out and close the printer. All right, so this is the printer. I have the card here. I'll insert it here into this slot, like this. All right. Now, turn it on. Yeah. Now, go to the print from TF card, and I have here bolt trigger V1 G-code. Yeah. So click on it and then print. Right. Now. Let's see. Yeah. So these are the settings, basically the default settings. So the bed will heat up until 70 degrees and the nozzle will go until 240 degrees. And then the printing will start. Let me pause it a little bit. I mean, it will take a couple of seconds for this one to, 4 minutes, for this to heat up. Bed is up at 70 degrees and the nozzle will heat up to 240, like I said. So we have it almost heated up, right? 240 now. Like I said, for this one, I use this PETG. I think it's a little bit stronger than the original filament. So yeah, it will start printing now. Let's see. This will take around 30-40 minutes. So I'm around 1 to 2 minutes in, and it's already starting to take shape. I will pause the video because I think it's boring just to watch this, right, for 30 or 40 minutes straight. Okay, this was it. This is the part. Usually I let it cool down. The bed still has 67 degrees, so I let it cool down, and afterwards I'm painting on glass. So if at least with this material, with PETG, I usually have a hard time getting the print out of the bed. And yeah, if that happens, I'll use heat from beneath. So I will take this glass out and I will use the heat gun on the other side, and then carefully, not to destroy the part, you know, scrape it off from the glass. So we'll take this one out, and we will go to the assembly of the toy to see if it worked or not, right? So this is the part right here. I took it off the bed, and this is it. Since I had the base, you know, the surface of the base what was smaller, it came easier off the glass bed. Yeah. So now let's try to assemble everything. Let's put this here. Yeah, like this. Now into the hole. Yeah, I think I wished I've done that hole a little larger, but anyway, I think it fits like this. Now here, let me put this like this, right? Now top. Okay. Okay, I think it should work, right? Let's see. So let's turn it until I feel tension. Careful not to break it again, right? And now it works! Alright, so this is fixed. Yeah, thank you very much for watching.